Welcome to the world of knowledge. Today's knowledge builder will tell its audience about 7 ways to promote yourself as a Fiverr freelancer. Press the bell icon, like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. If you are a freelancer, then you are also a business. Like every business, you need to promote yourself if you plan to make money. As a freelancer, anything you can do to develop a brand or otherwise distinguish yourself from the pack will be critical to your success. Here are some favorite, tried and true methods for promoting yourself as a Fiverr freelancer to get more clients and win higher earning jobs. The steps to promote yourself are: 1. Complete your Fiverr profile. As a seller on Fiverr, your profile is one of the first things a potential client will see, and depending on how much thought you put into it, it might be the last thing they see. Make sure your profile stands out by completing every section and putting thought and effort into your personal description. Keep it professional, but allow your personality to shine through. Don't forget to add a profile photo, images, and a video. Profiles with these assets are more likely to get responses than those without. 2. Showcase your best work. Pick examples of your work that are compelling or attention-grabbing. Did you write a piece that lands on the first page of Google? Were you published in a national magazine? Did you photograph a famous person? Did your short film win an award? Bring these shining examples of your work to the forefront, and don't be shy about tooting your own horn. Only about 35% of freelancers use an online portfolio to market themselves, so don't be a statistic in this case. 3. Get a personal website. Creating a personal website is easier than ever, and it is a great way to show off even more of your work. Having a link to a personal website on your profile can let a potential client learn more about you. Whether you are ready to build an in-depth online portfolio or just put up a placeholder, having a personal website offers many benefits. 56% of hiring managers said they are most impressed by personal websites than other online branding tools. 4. Create a logo. An eye-catching and colorful logo is key to developing a brand identity that you can promote online. Develop a logo that represents your style. Having a visual symbol for your brand is a surefire way to create a memorable connection with your potential clients. The brain processes images 60,000x faster than it reads words. 5. Ask for referrals. A few solid referrals on your profile page can go a long way towards giving a new client the confidence to hire you for a job. Ask past clients if they would provide a brief recommendation that you can post on your profile. 84% of buyers start their purchasing decision with a referral. 6. Be omnipresent on social media. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn are all powerful methods for promoting yourself online. They can also be overwhelming and distracting. The key is to have active profiles set up for various social media platforms, but you don't necessarily have to always post to each one. Pick 1 or 2 platforms that you like the best and use those accounts as your main avenue for promotion. 71% of consumers report that they are more likely to buy from brands they follow on social media. 7. Order some business cards. You never know who you might meet in the checkout aisle or on an airplane. It could be your next big client. Just as you plug yourself online, promoting yourself in the real world and attending local networking events is another powerful promotion tool. 39% of potential clients won't do business with you if you have a cheap-looking business card. The next topic of our video is on how to promote Fiverr gigs and increase your sales. Knowledge Builder will list 5 best strategies: cold mailing, Quora, social media, content marketing, paid ads. 1. Cold mailing. One of the best ways to market your services is to send cold emails to specific people who may be interested in your service. What is cold mailing? Simply, it is to search for targeted email lists, CEO of certain companies, and send an email trying to turn the target prospect into a customer. Let's take an example to make things simple. Let's say your service is about digital marketing, and let's be more specific, it's proving SEO services. So your expected clients are all website owners who want to rank their websites on search engines and get more traffic. Note, SEO, search engine optimization. So, now you know the target audience. What you will do is to send emails to those people and check if they are interested in your service or gig. The main 2 questions here? How to get those emails. How to send bulk cold emails. Let's start with the second question and see how we can send bulk cold emails. Note, bulk means sending like 500, 1,000 or more emails per day. We can achieve this with several methods: Gmail Suite plus mass mail merge extension. Use a cold mail service like Woodpecker. Build your own cold emailing system. To make things simple for you as a beginner, you can start with the easiest method, which is connecting your Gmail account to Mass. Then your Gmail account will be able to send bulk emails, schedule, track, and more. It's highly recommended to use a business professional email and not your free Gmail account, so when you send emails, you will look professional and give more trust. Now, Knowledge Builder want to mention an important point. To get a business email, you can register one with Suite from Google for $5 per month. I really recommend doing this, you will look professional. Let's now move the second question, how to get emails. Also here we have three options: online scraping, manual search, using third-party services like Snob and Hunter. To make things simple now as a beginner, you can start with online scraping, which is free, and it will be an easier way to test now. The second method is to search manually the web for websites and check the contact page as an example, and build up an email list. After you do this and collect some emails, don't forget that you need to validate those emails to ensure they are valid, and you can do this for free using HSuperTool's free email validation service. Great, so this is the first marketing strategy. 2. Fiverr Gigs promotion with Quora. The second strategy to promote your Fiverr gigs is Quora. It is one of the best places to promote your business and grow online. Quora is my daily routine, where I sit like 20-30 minutes every day answering questions and look at the results. Yes, 12K views the last 7 days. It's really a great place if you want to get fast traffic to your services and get more sales. Don't spam, and give real value. 3. Social media. When I say social media, I don't mean go and join 100 Facebook groups and drop your Fiverr links in. This is spam. No, use social media to build and grow your presence online and let people trust you. Then you will see how you will be contacted every day from people asking for your services. 4. Content marketing. You can create anything like blog posts, YouTube videos, online courses, social media posts, e-books, podcasts, webinars, and promote your services inside it. One of my main keys of success online is YouTube. Knowledge Builder highly recommend you start a YouTube channel and a blog, then you can promote your services on. It's that simple. 5. Paid ads. Even though I don't recommend using paid ads as a beginner to promote services and gigs, a little advice is not to use Facebook or Google ads to test. Instead, try Quora ads. Why? Simply because in this way you will target the exact person that is looking for a solution to his problem. So it's about topic targeting. Here are the main 5 strategies to start promoting your Fiverr gigs online or any service. To sum up, create a YouTube channel and a blog, and publish real value. Get traffic and grow your channel using the methods I showed you, and don't forget to take advantage of Quora. It's really very important to get more traffic and grow online. The last topic of our video in on 8 golden tips for freelancers. 1. Stop thinking about how to get paid. There's always a way to get your money. The internet is doing a phenomenal job connecting the world by the day. Depending on where you are in the world, it could be more of a hassle to dip into your earnings. However, it's not impossible. A simple example is starting a virtual bank account on Payoneer. 2. Set up a professional portfolio. Before you jump right into business, it's essential to tailor your portfolio. Make a small website of a page or 2 where you showcase your work. No matter what you do, sample your work online and put it out on display for people to see. This will give you credibility and give people an idea of the quality of your work. 3. Create tutorials. You can start a YouTube channel on which you publish tutorials. If you don't know where to start, it's best to remember how you at one point went to YouTube first thing you didn't know how to do something. You can share your experiences with beginners, helping them overcome the obstacles that you struggled with at some point or another. 4. Improve your communication skills. English is the most spoken language nowadays. It's important to have a good grasp of your English. If you're not a native speaker, it's not required of you to be as proficient as one. However, you should aim to understand and be understood. 5. Don't sell your work short. Most importantly, don't offer it for free. People overlook the amount of time it takes to acquire a particular skill and assume that it's worth little or no money if a job takes a few minutes. Not only that, but if you work for free, people won't appreciate what you do. You can provide free content as mentioned in step 3 that will ultimately promote your premium services, which you should not sell short. 6. Be kind to yourself. Your health is your most valuable asset. Treat yourself well, monitor your physical and mental health, and don't overwork yourself. Otherwise, you'll reach burnout and highly damage your productivity. Pace yourself, and remember that, unlike your health, money is dispensable. 7. Promote outside freelancing sites. If you post your work on freelancing websites and wait until you get work, whatever work that comes your way will be underwhelming. Besides freelancing sites, I suggest you raise people's awareness of your services through social media or other online platforms. 8. Be patient. Insert profound proverb about patience. No, really, be patient. It's essential to keep in mind that they spent countless hours trying and failing time and time again behind people's success stories. Knowledge Builder hopes that you like the video. We will continue to bring these type of videos which will educate its viewers. Welcome to the world of knowledge. Today's Knowledge Builder will tell its audience about 7 ways to promote yourself as a Fiverr freelancer. Press the bell icon, like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel.